Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to install an auto-clicker extension for Chrome. It's great for games, testing apps, or repetitive tasks. Let's go! Start by opening your Chrome browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. You can get there by typing chrome.google.com web store into your address bar. In the search bar at the top left, type auto-clicker and hit enter. Now scroll through the results and look for a popular one like auto-clicker, autofill, or auto-clicker by Shubham. These usually have thousands of users and good reviews. Click on the one you like, then hit the Add to Chrome button on the right. Chrome will ask you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Once installed, you'll see a small icon appear in the top right of your browser, next to your extensions. Go ahead and click on it. Most auto-clickers will let you set how often the clicks should happen, like every second, every 500 milliseconds, or even faster. You can also choose which part of the screen to click, or have it follow your cursor. Some versions let you use a hotkey to start or stop clicking, which is super handy for games or long processes. And remember, only use auto-clickers in a way that follows the site or app's rules. Don't get yourself banned. And that's how easy it is to install and use an auto-clicker in Chrome. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.